One more step. The journey to greatness begins today. Every journey, no matter how monumental or insignificant it may seem, begins with one small step. Today is your day. Today, you take that step. Life isn't about waiting for the perfect moment. It's about creating it. And greatness isn't reserved for the extraordinary. It's claimed by those who dare to take one more step forward when it feels impossible. The journey to greatness is not a straight path. It's a winding road filled with obstacles, setbacks, and moments of doubt. But every step forward is a victory. Every stumble is a lesson. Every failure is fuel for your fire. When the world says, "You can't," whisper back, "Watch me." Because it's not about how fast you go or how far you've traveled. It's about the courage to keep moving, to keep striving, to keep believing in what you can become. You are not alone in this journey. Along the way, you will find others who inspire you, challenge you, and lift you up. Let them be your reminder that greatness is a team effort, even if the journey feels solitary at times. One more step, that's all it takes. One more step to turn your dreams into plans, your goals into achievements, your aspirations into reality. Today is not just another day. It's the day you decide to start, to rise, to fight for your vision of greatness. No excuses, no looking back. The journey begins now. Greatness doesn't happen in a single moment. It happens in the collection of moments when you chose to push forward, one step at a time. So go ahead, take that step, one more step towards your dream, because the journey to greatness doesn't start tomorrow. It starts today. And remember, greatness isn't found at the destination. It's created along the way. Your journey doesn't need to look like anyone else's. In fact, it won't. Your path is unique, just like your dreams. Comparison is the thief of joy. Don't measure your progress against someone else's highlights. Instead, focus on your own steps, no matter how small they may seem. There will be days when the road feels endless, when the destination seems unreachable. You might feel like turning back, like giving up. But hear this, the moment you feel like quitting is often the moment right before the breakthrough. Success is on the other side of perseverance. Storms will come. Life will test you. It will push you to your limits. But storms don't last forever. And every wave you conquer strengthens you for the next one. The question is not whether you'll face challenges. It's whether you'll keep rowing when the waters get rough. Take a moment to reflect. Look back at how far you've already come. The struggles you've endured, the battles you've fought, the fears you've faced. You've survived 100% of your hardest days. And that's proof that you are stronger than you think. Greatness isn't just in the grand moments. It's in the small, everyday victories. It's in showing up when it's easier to stay in bed, in saying yes to opportunities even when you're afraid, and in believing in yourself when doubt creeps in. And remember, greatness isn't just about what you achieve for yourself. It's about how you inspire and lift others along the way. The steps you take today can pave the path for someone else tomorrow. You don't need to have it all figured out to begin. Just take one step, then another, and another. Progress, not perfection, is what matters. Every step forward, no matter how uncertain, is a declaration that you refuse to stand still. Look yourself in the eyes and say it out loud. I am capable, I am worthy, I am ready. Say it until you believe it, and then say it some more, because belief is the fuel that will drive you when motivation fades. Greatness isn't a gift, it's a choice you make every single day. It's not about being perfect, it's about being persistent, about standing back up every time you fall, about knowing that every step forward is an act of courage. The world is waiting for your light, your voice, your greatness, but it's up to you to ignite it. So take that first step, take one more step, and then another. The journey to greatness begins right now, today, with you. Because one day, you'll look back and realize that those small, brave steps weren't just leading you to greatness. They were greatness. They were